Captain Ibrahim Traore has done it again. He is a young military officer who led effort to strengthen Burkina Faso sovereignty, including distancing the country from France and fostering regional alliance. He played a key role in the 2022 coup and co-founded the Alliance of Sahara State, a regional security bloc. Under his leadership, Captain Ibrahim Traore reduced Burkina Faso reliance on France and promote a more independent foreign policy. His achievements in just 3 years are impressive. Let's watch how he became president and his remarkable accomplishment.
Ibrahim Traore, the youngest president in Africa and the world, has a fascinating story of courage and leadership. Born in 1988 in Burkina Faso, he grew up in the western part of the country in Bondakwi. From a young age, he was known for his intelligence, strong sense of justice, and a deep desire to serve his people. Traore joined the military and quickly rose through the ranks, earning respect for his discipline and bravery. His journey to leadership began amidst political and security challenges in Burkina Faso. The country was struggling with a wave of terrorism, corruption, and instability, leaving many citizens disillusioned with the government. In September 2022, at the age of just 34, Traore led a military coup that ousted then-President Paul-Henri Damiba. This bold move made him the youngest head of state in the world. He justified his actions by pointing to the government's failure to address the worsening security crisis and the people's growing dissatisfaction.
Lovely viewers, I'm Kinadu from Ghana, West Africa. To be precise, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. And don't forget to like, share, and leave your comment below. Let's go to the channel together. Some of Captain Ibrahim Traore notable projects include setting up leather factory in Burkina Faso.
What can we manufacture in Burkina? I know there are talents all over Burkina. The application will be launched shortly so that young talents can register. In that center, we will do everything possible to have all the necessary machinery and guide the young people there so that when they finish, when they leave, they can create something. God willing, we will set up a leather unit in the Kaya area to transform many things on site, ourselves.
Building free housing for citizens of Burkina Faso.
Faso President Ibrahim Traore has announced project to build free houses for every citizen, promising to end homelessness in the country. He declared that no one in Burkina Faso should live without shelter and that the government will build homes for all.
Launching the country's first electric cars manufacturing company in Burkina Faso.
Did you know Burkina Faso now produces electric vehicles entirely made by Burkinabe engineers? Earlier today, national television unveiled these groundbreaking cars, marking a milestone that many thought impossible. Electric cars made in our own factories. It's a moment of pride and inspiration for the entire nation. This surprise innovation connects directly to the bold vision of Burkina Faso's leadership. Just a few months ago, President Ibrahim Traore hinted at the quiet establishment of factories across the country. And now, the results are here. The vehicles, named Idawa, come in models like the Native and Sahel, designed to reflect our culture and environment. Even better, these cars can travel an impressive 330 kilometers on just 30 minutes of charging. What do you think about this major step forward for Burkina Faso? Let us know your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories of African innovation.
Burkina Faso, a country with no prior experience in automotive manufacturing, has just launched its first ever electric car, the Tour. This sleek new EV isn't just a car, it's a symbol of innovation and self-reliance. Developed by Itaibe, a Burkinabe startup, the Tour reflects the vision and leadership of Captain Ibrahim Traore. His commitment to self-reliance has paved the way for this monumental achievement.
During his many addresses to the Burkinabe, he has always launched an appeal to the sons and daughters of our country. Has always invited all Burkinabe to have faith in our country, to have faith in our homeland, to invest primarily in our country, to contribute to the economic development of Burkina Faso and the social development.
Constructing the largest dam in Burkina Faso.
Incredible. Captain Ibrahim Traore is planning to build one of Africa's biggest mega dams. Yes, you heard correctly. This is absolutely incredible because for decades, Burkina Faso has struggled to power its villages, farms, and small factories without begging foreign companies for expensive fuel. But now, this mega dam could change everything. It's not just a dam. It's a bold vision for full energy freedom. Imagine remote villages finally getting 24-hour electricity, farmers growing crops all year, even in dry season, and young people getting new factory jobs instead of moving abroad for work. And here's the hidden twist. Insiders say Traore is quietly working with Russia and China for funding, engineers, and new technology, not Western banks that load poor countries with huge interest loans and secret conditions. This is absolutely incredible because if this works, Burkina Faso could even sell extra power to its neighbors, making it an energy hub for all of West Africa. For Traore's supporters, this mega dam is proof that Africa can stand tall without begging anyone. But for the old powers, it's a big threat they never saw coming. What do you think? Is Traore's mega dam really the start of true independence? Or will the old powers try to block it once again?
Hello, lovely viewers. There is a temporary stop in the video. I've noticed that many of you are enjoying watching my videos, but you haven't subscribed yet. It takes just a second to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you will be the first person to be notified anytime I upload videos. You are not only supporting my channel, but also helping me to reach my goals. By subscribing, like the video, and share as many as you can to support my channel. And leave your sweet comment on my comment section below. I appreciate your love and your support. Establishing a bigger cement factory in Burkina Faso.
Ibrahim Traore cut the ribbon, and boom, Burkina Faso has a brand new cement factory, CCNOB, thanks to a partnership with China. Sounds great, right? Well, here's the catch. Burkina already has 6 cement plants producing twice what the country actually needs, yet prices are still sky high. Factories are running at 50% capacity, but somehow a bag of cement still costs nearly $10. At this rate, building a house in Burkina feels like applying for a bank loan. Hopefully, this new plant shakes things up, because if prices don't drop soon, people might start considering mud huts as a permanent real estate solution.
Changing the narrative on corrupt road contractors.
Burkina Faso had a serious road problem. Then Captain Ibrahim Traore stepped in. When he became president, he found out that many road projects were full of corruption. Contractors were charging too much and doing very little. So he took bold action. He canceled over 100 fake and overpriced road contracts. But he didn't stop there. Traore bought 900 construction machines so the country could build its own roads without greedy middlemen, and it worked. Big road projects started. 131 kilometers of new roads are now connecting important areas.
A game changer. Captain Ibrahim Traore building a tomato paste factory in Burkina Faso.
Alors, mesdames, messieurs, bonjour. Ceci est un message à l'endroit de tous les fils et filles du Burkina Faso. Ceux qui sont sur le territoire et ceux...
Imagine you have a big basket of fresh, juicy tomatoes from your garden. If you leave them out for too long, they might spoil before you can eat them all. But if you turn those tomatoes into tomato paste, a thick, yummy sauce, you can keep them much longer and use them in many dishes. This is exactly what President Ibrahim Traore of Burkina Faso thought. He noticed that farmers in his country were growing lots of tomatoes, but many were going to waste because they couldn't be used in time. So, he decided to build a special factory that takes these fresh tomatoes and turns them into tomato paste and sauces. This way, the tomatoes last longer, farmers earn more money, and people have tasty tomato products to enjoy. It's like turning something simple into something even better that everyone...
Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Support means the world to me. Let's go to the channel together and spread positivity and empowerment. Until next time, peace be with you. See you in my next video.